Needless to say, how folding knives are dominating the EDC world, some folding knives aren't just bound to their compact shapes and minor cutting performance. Instead, they come with more significant blades, built to perform like a beast. So, in this video today, we'll talk about some of the biggest folding knives overbuilt for outrageous performance. Enjoy!
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
Starting with this sleek-looking performer called the Cold Steel Large Luzon. At first glance, it may look like one of those Belay songs with its 6-inch long cutting edge. The blade features 8C R13 MOV steel and a satin finish, shining like a pure piece of art. Glass-filled nylon in its handle makes it a great option to hold for extreme purposes. YoJumbo, a unique knife with a special blade design from Spyderco Knives. Design of its blade isn't the only thing one will notice, because its 4-inch long blade with a pointy tip looks very intimidating. And not to mention that it gives its users a strong piercing performance for longer runs. Looks like material like CPM S30V wasn't the only focus while making this skull piercer. Next, we have the second version of the Maxace Sandstorm, a great one to carry in your pocket for more strenuous jobs. Belay song lovers out there must be familiar with Maxace for their top-quality butterfly knives. But gotta say that this folding knife is also commendable for such a unique design and bulky form factor. Top-notch material like Bowler K110 is present to make it a pure workhorse, while the G10 handle provides proper grip. Hogue brings this X5 flipper with a vast range of blade designs and options. All the models have a 4-inch or longer blade size made out of premium CPM 154 steel. Its vast model options include a bunch of blade styles, including some collab models with famous gunmaker Sig Sauer. So, wanna pick yours? This Commander is known to be a versatile, do-it-all knife from Emerson Knives. No matter the purpose is camping, hunting, patrolling, or any other tactical use, this one is perfect for keeping in the pocket. Its bulky blade is capable enough for rough usages, while the titanium lock makes it a safer option to carry. Don't know about others, but we're impressed by the performance of this Sinkevich 0452 CF from Zero Tolerance. Why? Well, this USA-made flipper surely comes in a large size, but has a comparably sleeker outlook. But outlook isn't everything, is it? Performance of its CPM S35 VN steel is formidable, while the titanium frame lock prevents unexpected incidents. If you think Australian specialties are bound to luxurious motorhomes and camper trailers, let Half-Breed Knives show their pure Australian magnificence with this LBF 01 large bush folder knife. Perfect blend of titanium and stainless steel frame makes it durable yet lightweight. And besides its premium blade, this folder also features a heat-treated Bowler K110 steel pommel for emergencies. Get ready to be astonished by this Espada XL from Cold Steel, an enormous one to hold and an absolute banger by performance. At first glance, anyone will think of it as a foldable machete, and it performs like one as well. Its 7.5-inch long blade has S35 VN steel, while the stainless tell accents and pommel make it an elegance for knife collection. Meet the MG AD20 from Demko Knives, a custom flipper with an advanced blade lock to rock the survival journey. AD20 comes with 2 different blade options, including CPM 20CV and CPM 3V, so that its users can have the independence to choose their preferred steel. Its pattern grip provides perfect stability, while the patented shark lock makes it dependable. Artisan Cutlery Proponent is your budget-friendly option here, with an unorthodox blade style and sleek outlook. Matte black finish of its blade looks attractive, while the blade design will give you proper piercing power. Want more stability to handle this large folder? No issues, as it includes jimping on its blade for that. Want something bigger and premium? Well, why don't you give this Medford knife on Belay a try? Tons of customization options lets anyone reflect their personality on this knife. The whole knife has a matte black PVD or tumbled finish, which looks rich. But what about the performance? Well, we don't think that premium S35 VN blade steel will let anyone down with its top-notch cutting performance and edge retention. The A-TACS SMF is another custom-made beauty from Mick to rock your knife collection. Now, its outlooks and all might look attractive, but its black oxide finish CPM 20V steel defines its capability for tough jobs. Now, the most exciting part of this folder knife is its impressively lightweight distribution. No wonder the usage of titanium is holding its proper position. Hinderer Eklipse, a capable tactical folder to rock every mission effortlessly. CNC flat ground blade delivers an unmatched cutting performance, while the superior S35 VN steel construction perfectly retains its edge. 2 different models include a G10 and a steel handle, providing an adequate grasp for tactical jobs. Lastly, the titanium pocket clip is there to keep it low profile when needed. If you thought Kukri-style blades only come with huge machetes, then let this V2 Ultra Kukri from Night Elements amaze you. Perfectly balanced weight and smooth folding pivot mechanism make this knife ideal for survival. Then comes the unmatched chopping power of Bowler N690 CO steel, providing high resistance while cutting through the worst. Worried about weight? We don't think 5.94 ounce is something to worry about. Another bulky beast with some superb ergonomics. This one features an adequate blade with dual thumb studs and a notched thumb rest for a comfortable grasp. Speaking of grasp, its G10 handle is comfy enough for a steady grip on any tactical situation. Meet the Benchmade 430 Redoubt, a smooth folder with an adequate blade perfected for versatile uses. Plain edge of its CPS D2 steel blade is sharp enough to deliver a smooth transition between cuts while retaining the edge for a longer period. Then comes the well-patterned handle, providing a solid grip whether you're using it for everyday carry or any tactical mission. So, that was our list of some biggest folding knives that were overbuilt for outrageous performance. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.